Okay, welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is a 2011, 2009 Jeep Wrangler. This car have alarm kick in many times, and the light flashing, flicking. He went to the dealer. The dealer tell him, I don't know, for the second.
No, I gave it to you.
Look at it, I don't have it here, but look in there. The dealer tell you what the dealer say?
The dealer said it's gonna be $6 grand.
$6,000 to fix the alarm. Wow. And then he read in internet and they say you have to change the engine computer. We put the engine computer, look how beautiful is this car. You have to maintain your car, I love it. So now, we changed that one, it still doesn't work. We did all our research. He changed the engine computer, he said that could be the engine computer. No. Then at the end, I said, you know what? We found that there is a service bulletin here. If you notice, number 08-009-12 electrical group, and it say that for flashing an issue, this is to update the reason. The vehicle theft alarm intermittently sound, no start. Bulletin involve flashing programming, the total integrated power control module. It's not only your car, Town and Country, Journey, Wrangler, CKD Wrangler 2009, all 2009. So you have to go online, buy a subscription, and then update the computer. We did that one. I tell the customer, you know what, we programmed this computer. We have one rebuilt. We update, we program it. The car is start, but it's still, we have the same problem. So we use our Y-Tech subscription, and we go online. We go online and we buy 1-day subscription or 3-day subscription using Crisis software, and we are able to find an update, and it talk about the bulletin itself. If you see here, if you open this, maybe you see flash, vehicle theft alarm intermittent sound. If you open this one, you will get the whole bulletin here in the system. It show you what happened, what you need to do. So we update the computer. I update the computer, and after I update it, you see the same technical service bulletin. You have all this car, you have to program them. You have to update. If you don't update it, it will not work fine. So we update it, we turn the ignition off, push the door lock, unlock, and everything go well. Okay. This is to solve the problem of this Wrangler. Please update your computer or all the other cars. Not only this one, but other cars. As you see here, all those cars, when you have a problem with them, please, and those are 2009. The car kick alarm by itself and make a noise. Town and Country, Journey, Wrangler, Cherokee, Nitro, Liberty. All those cars, please update your computer, and you will not have alarm kick in by itself in the night. You have to disconnect the horn and all this. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. If you have a problem, please visit us. We are in 1287 Utica Avenue. I will be happy to fix your car for you.